Sunshines! Welcome and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new here, I'm Sherlan, and for today's video, I would do a almost full face of She Glam. Actually, I was surprised with this brand. Narinig ko pa siya sa Foreigner, and I believe mas madali siyang i-source out sa atin kasi I got it from Shein. So I got 4 of their products. It's the Contour, Golden Sun. It's the Sun Sculpt. Yan. This is very popular sa kanila. Also, I got a Risky Business. This is the color Bloom. This is a blush, a liquid blush. And I also got their popular Insta Ready face and under eye setting powder duo. So ito sulit because meron siyang loose powder sa ilalim, and at the same time, may press powder siya sa ibabaw. So it's the pink one. And lastly, I got their She Glam. This is the lip plumping. Para siyang tart maracuja. And ganun din siya. So kiniklik din siya when you want to get it. So I believe these are made in China. Yeah. Kaya medyo mura siya, pero I think it's a good product kasi even sa abroad, mga influencers, they swear by it. So let's try and test it now. I already have sunblock and some moisturizer sa face ko, but I want to add more kasi ito yung nagiging primer ko lagi. The Embryolisse Laboratory. Let me know if mali pagkaka-pronounce ko. Pero that's how it's spelled. And I also want an additional grip for this makeup look. This is gonna be like an office look that I want to have right now. Kasi I'm going to have this look for the whole day. This is the Aqua Grip from Vice Cosmetics. Okay, so I want to color correct today. This is the e.l.f. the Camo Color Corrector. This is the parang pink one, peach one. Kasi parang ang dami, ang ano talaga ng under eyes ko ngayon. Because sa mga pinagdaanan ko the past few days, parang puyat ako lagi. I'll prep my eyelids with the eyelid primer by Morphe. Hindi ko gustong mag concealer and set ng eyelids powder. I would use parang shortcut. I would use an eyelid primer para hindi lang mag-oil yung eyelids ko for the whole day. And then I have my Vice Cosmetics sponge. Or I think I have to use a brush kasi kinakain ng sponge yung product. Especially pag damp yung sponge. So let's use this one. On a tapping motion. And I'll add more later. Parang kinain ng sponge yung ating color corrector. So for foundation, I know I'll be wearing this makeup for the whole day. So I'll be using my KVD Serum Foundation. This is a serum foundation, pero I am loving it kasi it's a full coverage foundation, pero hindi siya tumatagal siya talaga. Parang skin-like siya after few hours, kumbaga pag nag-set na sa face ninyo. Pero hindi siya malagkit nor alam mo yun, parang hindi siya makapal after eh. Makapal siya pag nilagay niya ganyan, like that one. Sorry, I'll work this out kasi maputi itong nakuha ko. Pero sobrang love ko tong foundation na to. It melts to the skin. So parang at the end of applying it, nagiging parang skin-like siya talaga. Pero may coverage siya. So, that's nice. I'll blend this out. So, ang puti-puti niya. So, I'll use a little concealer. This is the Makeup by Mario concealer. Konti na lang kasi medyo na-cover naman yung aking dark under eyes. But still, I'll be using a concealer brush. Work with my eyelids na muna. I'll set this first with a powder para hindi na siya mag-crease kasi yun na nagiging patchy na siya. So, ayusin ko yun.
Shawty wanna make you mine, oh yeah, yeah. Shawty wanna make you mine, shawty wanna make you mine, oh yeah, yeah. Shawty wanna make you mine, shawty wanna make you mine, oh yeah, yeah.
Kasi nilagyan ko din ng konting concealer and tinamaan din ng foundation. So, you have to set it with a powder. So, for the eyeshadow, I'll be using the Sultry. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm loving this lately kasi napaka-simple niya. It only has 3 colors. So, usually I would use this one, this lighter brown for my transition. And then, for the crease, I put this brown. Yan. And then, glitters sa middle. So, let's blend this out. And then, I put glitters. All the way hanggang inner eyelids natin. So, I'll finish this first. So, I did my eyes na. Tinapos ko na siya. I just smoked it out, yung sa ilalim, and then a little wing. Yeah, for a wing look. And then also, naglagay ako ng konting dark eyeshadow sa loob. I mean, sa labas ng eyelids for depth. Yan. And then, more glitter sa gitna. And then, I'll set my under eyes na with a powder. Kasi, takot na ako mag-crease na siya. Although, I haven't set my whole face with the powder yet. So, I'm using the Shiglam. This one is the loose powder. Oh, wow. This is nice. Talagang, it blurs the skin under eyes. Yan. Ay, ganda. Anyway, so let's move on to my creams. I still haven't contoured and blush yet, so I'll contour my face first since medyo maputi na tayo. This is so cute kasi parang sponge din yung applicator niya. Hindi siya matigas actually. So, kung saan may shadow, doon na tayo. And then, I'll use a brush also. This is the Sephora 47 din. Medyo all-around brush ko na tong 47 na to. Kasi, I like the angle of the brush. So, pupuntahan niya yung mga mahirap na areas ng face. Ayan, with this brush. So, I think I'll add more. Ito pa rin tayo. This is the Golden Sun. Let's try using a sponge to blend this out. Pero tap-tap lang, guys. Tap-tap. Ang creamy nung texture niya. Para siyang hybrid ng cream at saka ng liquid bronzer or ng contour. So, syempre, pinagpapawisan ako. Init na kasi. But anyway. And then, ito nagamit ko naman ito before. So, this is the blush. Nagamit ko na siya. Pero, inantay para, oops! Yan. So, yan ang nagagawa kapag diretso mong nilalagay sa face mo. Although it shears out, at least nabe-blend. Pero if you want to be sure, please put it sa back ng hands nyo first before getting a handful. Use a brush. Get the product and then put it on your face. Ayan. Diba? Mas safe. I'll add more kasi ang diniretso ko na naman sa face. Kasi blush ang isa sa pinakaunang nawawala sa maghapon. So, let's put more. Besides, kapag sinet mo naman to ng powder, kung setting powder lang, maglalighten naman siya. So, that's the blush. So, mukhang magulo pa, no? And talagang maputi yung foundation ko. But anyway, I'll use the Shiglam pink setting powder to set my face na. So, yung medyo tira, ay dabit na sa aking blush. And sa nose. Pantay ba? Hindi pantay. But anyway, yes. I want to reinforce my blush kasi parang paghulas ko mamaya, medyo ano na din siya eh. Medyo mawawala na din siya. So, for blush, let's use my e.l.f. palette. Yan. So, isang set siya ng blush. Let's use my Sephora 59 Pro Powder. So, medyo malaki. I'll use a pale, parang peachy pink, nude pink to set this. Okay. And so that's the blush. Let's put a little highlighter para medyo may glow naman ako. I'll be using my holiday, Joyful Holiday Dream Highlighter from Kiko Milano. So, try natin kasi parang ang ganda ng shimmer nito. Medyo nude lang ang dating. So, I put it parang light-handedly lang. Parang kulay naman tayo. May dating naman pag nailawan tayo. And lastly, okay, so let's go on to the lips. The lips. Let's use my Get Ready With Me. It's the Anne color. It's my second name. And since I lined it up, medyo sinobrahan ko kasi I'll be using the Shiglam lip plumping pen. Ayan. So, I'm extra ingat kasi nagme-melt siya sa lips pag madami masyado. It feels a little sticky. And yun nga, medyo may pagka-amoy tsaka may lasang pagka-oil siya. So, ang gusto ko lang sa kanya kasi nga, since hindi ako masyadong mahilig with lipstick. And parang, I need a lot of effort to do my lipstick all through the day. Kasi kailangan mong i-retouch, kailangan mong mag-line ulit, ganyan. I find yung mga ganito lip plumper, yung may lip oil ngayon yan, medyo na lilibang ako sa kanila kasi kumbaga you'll never go wrong with it. So kahit na i-swipe mo siya once lang sa lips mo, it's glossy na. Unlike kapag now kasi at my 40s, hindi na din ako masyadong matte na lipstick. So, kailangan may gloss pa on top, ganyan. Pero itong mga hybrid na lumalabas, or at least the lip oil na may gloss na din siya in it. And moisturizing din sa lips kasi super dry ng lips ko. Hindi talaga po pwedeng hindi siya mag-chap or magbalat talaga oil throughout the day. So, kailangan sa gabi talaga nag-lip mask ako talaga or else talaga the following day sobrang dry siya. But anyway, so yun nga, nahihiligan ko ngayon yung mga hybrid kasi may gloss na sila. Meron na sila ngayon na hybrid ng lipstick and then ng oil. Saka moisturizing na sila sa lips. But still, I do the matte lipsticks, especially the MAC one kasi sila yung mga ating mga OG. Pero yun nga, effort sa akin. So, pag yung ganito, ito na lang yung dala ko. Lip oil or a lip plumper para may gloss na siya. Ayun. And then, to set everything, I have the new Vice Cosmetics 24-hour lock. Actually, try ko na to once. And, seems like it's good. Parang na-feel ko, parang nga siyang one size na liquid form naman. Kasi si one size na setting spray, it's in a can. So, para siyang spray net talaga. Para siyang Lysol, ganyan ang datingan niya pag in-spray. Ito, it's a liquid type, pero yung feel niya afterwards, para siyang one size. Parang nilalak niya talaga yung, hindi OA ha, pero parang nilalak niya talaga yung makeup mo. So, I'll try it again. This is the second time that I'll be using this one. Ang sarap pa ng amoy niya actually. Gusto ko yung amoy niya. And yung mist niya, if nakikita nyo, sobrang thin na halos parang pang spray net na nga din siya. Pero, let's see if this will last the whole day at least, or at least 6, 7, 8 hours. And, ayun, I'll let you know. So, here's the final look, guys. Actually, medyo maputi siya talaga. So, sorry about that. Siguro kasi na-reinforce pa siya with the pink powder. So, sobrang ang bright-bright ko. Pero, in personal naman, carry naman. Hindi naman siya ganun kasama or ganun kaputing-kaputi. Pero yun nga, medyo dark na yung aking leg. But anyway, this will work. Pag nag-set na lahat to hanggang later at mahulas ako, magiging skin ko na din. But anyway, I like the blush. Nakakatawa kasi even the formula, parang kakaiba siya. Para siyang, yun nga, parang cream and liquid in one. Parang yung contour din. I would say the powder is good also. Medyo sticky lang si lip plumper. So if you're not into sticky, saka yung amoy coconut nga or medyo lasang coconut, baka yung ibang variant niya hindi ganon. So hindi ko alam because I only have this one. But anyway, let me know your thoughts. Yeah, kung ano pa yung mga okay na Shiglam na products. Try nating bilhin din sila. Kasi, I was scared to buy foundation kasi parang hindi ko siya masyadong nakikitang okay with the others. And also, the concealer, dapat bibilin yung concealer, pero parang ang kapal-kapal niya, especially do sa mga reels ng mga tao, sa shorts ng mga tao. Parang ang kapal-kapal nung concealer. Pero, meron siyang kakaibang applicator na parang cooling applicator. But then again, yun nga, pag nakikita ko yung nilalagay nila, parang ang kapal-kapal. So, I skipped that one and bought the plumper instead. Kasi dapat hindi ako bibili ng plumper. Pero yun nga, maganda yung mga reviews na sa plumper. May pagkamakapal ang feeling ng lip plumper. Pero, may pagkamalagkit. Pero hindi siya yung kadiring malagkit. Parang ganun. So, I think I will love this one. Saka medyo matipid din. Konti-konti lang kasi nagme-melt nga siya. But anyway, this is the final look. And I hope you liked it. I love doing this video kasi this is what I'm going to wear for the whole day today. Kaya kailangan medyo maayos din. But anyway, guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hey, guys! So, it's been 6 hours since I placed all of the Shiglam products, including my foundation look. Although, medyo maputi pa rin, pero medyo nag-settle down na din siya talaga sa aking face. Walang retouch yan, guys. Of course, the oiliness here, If you want to retouch, we can just, you can just have your powder puff. And then, ayan. Kasi mainit actually. And then, yung mga pawisin lang na part natin. You can put powder in it. Pero, yun nga. As mentioned, kaya ako medyo dinamihan din. Kanina parang sobra-sobra yung blush natin. Pero, look, after 6 hours, medyo nag-lighten na siya. Pero, yun naman, at the same time, nag-blend din naman siya sa face. Kaya, it's still there. Ayan. So, okay pa tayo after 6 hours. And I guess, the products are good. Yun lang, si Shiglam na loose powder. Di ba, nilagay ko siya sa under eyes. I felt na kanina na parang ang choky-choky pa nung powder. Nag-worry ako na baka, of course, iba yung nakikita nyo sa camera compared sa nakikita sa personal. So, kanina, medyo worried ako na baka may chunk-chunk na siya ng powder kasi nafe-feel ko siya talaga. Pero, wala naman. So, it was a good thing. Alam mo yun, okay naman. Kumbaga, blended naman siya sa face. Yun lang parang, yun nga, choky ang feeling niya. Pero, okay naman siya in person. So, sinilip ko naman din siya kanina. Ayun. So, all in all, it's good. They are good products. They are not expensive also. So, you might want to try them out. And, ayun lang, ano lang kanina, nag-retouch ako ng ating lips kanina. Kasi kumain din. Pero, the color of this lip plumper is also good kasi may kulay nga siya. Hindi siya yung sobrang sheer or hindi siya yung ano lang. Very, very light. Meron siyang coverage. May kulay. Anyway, so this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment or questions. I'll try to answer everything and let me know your thoughts on this, and I'll see you all guys on the next one. Bye!